Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Manaya here and I'm back with another video. So this is my week 5 update for the Mario B skincare journey. Listen, I don't even know if I'm really on week 5. I don't know what's going on anymore. At this point, I'm just going with the flow. We're not even gonna worry about what's accurate and what isn't. This is just week 5, okay? We're just gonna say that. So in my last update, week 4, some things have changed. I went to the store and I got 2 items. The brightening kit, which I will be demonstrating how I use the products, and I'll talk more in depth about it and all of that stuff in a minute. But I also got one other thing. I went to Urban Outfitters, and when I was walking around, I was looking for, I was looking for a lip gloss actually, which I'm annoyed about because I can't find it. But I was looking for a lip gloss. I saw that Mario B has a lip balm and I wanted to buy it, but then I also needed to get a new facial spray. So I was like, oh my God, I don't really want to spend, too much money buying all these Mario B products. And then I saw this, the mini must-haves. It has the Seaweed night cream, which I love. You put this on right after you wash your face. It goes on just like a lotion, and when you wake up, it's supposed to give you more hydrated, younger, fresher skin. The facial spray, which I needed more of. The foaming cleanser. So if you watched my videos previously, you saw that I have the gel cleanser, which is just a gel wash. This one is like an actual soap, so it foams and like gives you that soapy feel when you wash your face. And then it came with the lip balm. I don't know where the lip balm is. I'm really annoyed. I literally bought this for the lip balm and the facial spray, and I can't find the lip balm. Overall, I love the Seaweed night cream. It is original price by itself, $20, and this whole little container thing was $24. So talk about a deal. Get the cleansing foaming cleanser. I like it, but I did get a little in my eye. It was horrific. When I just say it was horrible. So be careful with that one. The facial spray has always been my favorite, and the lip balm I used for like a day, but my lips felt hydrated. I need some right now. I'll be right back. Okay, so now let's get into this brightening kit. I was using the Acne Starter Kit, which I kind of finished. I loved it. I got the drying lotion and the exfoliating scrub separately. Love those 2 items. They have cleared up all the pimples on my face. My face is so smooth. All that is left though is the scars. I got this scar right here from an old pimple that went away recently. This section just won't go nowhere. It's like stuck. This has lightened a lot, but at the same time it still looks really bad. My chin is way better than it used to be, but the scarring is still there. As you can see, I am scarred up. So I needed to find something to try to help me lighten, and I wanted to try this brightening kit. It has the foaming cleanser, which is in that mini must-haves. We have the grapefruit cleansing lotion, which looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie, I love the color of it. The vitamin C serum, I'm excited to use this. I wanted to buy this separately, so I'm happy that this comes with it. A whitening mask, I love masks. I'm so happy that there's a mask. And a skin renewal complex. The next few clips are just gonna be me doing all of the steps, and then I will show you guys what my skin looks like after a full run through with the kit. And that will be it for my week 5 update. In week 6, please look forward to seeing the improvement, if there is any. I'm hoping there is. It is a struggle city with this damn skin. I mean, I've never had to deal with anything worse. So, as you can see, we have now moved into the bathroom. I'm sorry if this is a weird camera angle. This is the best that I can do in such short time. So we're gonna open the box. I don't know if this is really gonna work for my dark spots. I'm hoping that I see a huge improvement. I really feel like I'm halfway to having clear skin. I've gotten the pimples, like my skin is smooth. Like you can even see any bumps, anything. Like, my skin is freaking smooth. You see nothing. Look at that. Smooth. There's a lot of them. And I'm trying to get rid of it. So we're gonna take our handy dandy cleanser. It comes out like so. Ooh, I like it. It doesn't like foam that much. I don't know. I've used the other foaming cleanser I have. Wow, this feels really refreshing. I feel like my skin is waking up. Like, I'm feeling this, I feel this really cool sensation right now. But yeah, this isn't foaming the way I want it to. Oh, here it is. You gotta really work it in. The first time that I did a like step-by-step review of a kit for Mario B, I didn't have any cotton swabs, and you know, this time I don't have any either, so I'm gonna use toilet paper. This is for the grapefruit lotion. I know I need cotton swabs. I don't have any, I'm sorry. I put some on, just wipe outward and outward motions. Just gonna sweep along the skin. Step 3, vitamin C serum, which is supposed to be the actual brightening step on the box. It's step 3. Brighten! Just going to squeeze a little bit on the face like so. And I'm going to rub it in. I'm gonna rub it in. It feels really oily, may I say so. And that is the vitamin C serum. Cleanse, tone, and brighten with the serum. I am not going to sleep anytime soon. I'm actually about to do my makeup. So I will show you guys what the whitening mask looks like later tonight. I'm not gonna have the same lighting set up. So I'm gonna try to show you in the best lighting I have, which is most likely gonna be like the bathroom lights. You know, I'll show you guys at the end of the video, you see what I'm talking about, but yeah, that was pretty much it. Those are the steps that I will be taking. I've gotten some new subscribers recently since starting this skincare stuff. Hey guys, welcome aboard. It is a, you know, very crazy all over the place ride, but we are almost there. We are almost there. So stay tuned for my week 6 update. But yeah, stay tuned. Peace.